The day Marcia stopped everything. In Marcia's yard, things were always finished. Beds got made tight, sweeping start from the back and end at the gate. If you start something, you don't leave it half done. Marcia was known for that. Teachers trusted her, neighbors depended on her. People would say, that picnic is steady, you can rely upon her. But nobody ever asked Marcia how it felt to always be reliable. One hot afternoon, Marcia was helping her aunt paint the front wall of the house. The sun pressed down hard, paint smelled very strong. Half the wall was already white. Marcia dipped the brush, then paused. She leaned back and listened. Zinc roof ticking, radio playing low, breeze scraping dust across the concrete. Her aunt turned around. Marcia, why you stop? Marcia hesitated. I don't know, she said softly. I just don't feel to go on yet. Her aunt stared at the wall. What me not understand you, Pitney? You can't leave work so. People don't do things like that. Marcia picked up the brush again. Then she set it down. That evening, the wall stayed half painted. People passing notice. Then I all leave the wall so. I wonder why them never finish. The next day, Marcia washed the plates. She washed a few, then stopped. Her mother looked in the sink. Marcia, something wrong with you? Or you try to get me out? What the problem now? I'm taking a break, Marcia said. Her mother shook her head. A break don't clear chores. Later that week, Marcia helped plait her cousin's hair. She reached halfway, neat and careful, then stopped again. Her cousin jumped up. No, sir, you serious? After you can't leave me head so? Marcia felt something tighten in her chest. Everybody needed her to finish. Everybody expected it. That night, Marcia sat quietly on the step and understood something for the first time. She wasn't stopping because she was lazy. She was stopping because she never chose what she was finishing. The next morning, her aunt pointed at the wall again. You're ready to complete it now? Marcia looked at the wall, then at her aunt. She said, calm, not rude. Not yet, Auntie. Her aunt folded her arms. But, so what you plan to do? Marcia dipped the brush and painted one straight, careful line down the middle. I'm not refusing work, Marcia said to her aunt. I'm learning when something needs to wait. Days passed. The wall stayed unfinished, but people stopped rushing her. Marcia still helped, still worked hard. But when she finished something now, it was because she decided to, and everything she chose to finish, she finished well. Later that week, she finished the wall her aunt asked her to complete. And Marcia, having done some introspection, learned something important. It is okay to say no as long as you say it with respect. It is important to finish what you start because responsibilities matter. But it is just as important to remember that your opinion matters too. You can be helpful and still have a voice. And when you choose wisely what you finish, you grow into someone strong, confident, and kind. If you like these stories, please subscribe to my channel at Jamaican Storytime with Deandra the Voice. Please also share with your friends and families who you think would enjoy these stories.